In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and selecting photos that you wish to delete from Pictures or Albums section. Either way, hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of and use those type of dots at the top right corner to select multiple right away. If you want to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!